This second video talks about the online tools with our online textbook and with FrontRow. So the first thing that I would like to do is to talk about the second one, textbook information in FrontRow. So our class will be using an online textbook called Digits. And this textbook supports a one-to-one laptop to student ratio in our class, which we have. And to access the online book, each student needs to log into their account. In class, they receive a username and password that they will use. So to explore this tool, I have a student login. And a student will put in their username and login, and they will go into the online resource. And it's not really a textbook with digital pages, but it's more like an online learning program. And you can go through all of the different programs, and the most common route students will take at home is that they will access assignments. And so in order to do that, you will click on the middle circle, the middle orange circle, classes. And you can see I have one pending assignment here, and I purposely did that. On my homework website, you will see under daily homework, I will specify which homework assignment. So if I have 1-1, you can see 1-1 homework. You can also see assignments that are in progress, and you can also see assignments that are completed. So not started, unless it was started in class, if students had a few minutes, you would be able to click on this homework link and proceed. Most homework assignments are 15 questions. And you can also check out, you have tools to use throughout. So if I were to click on homework, and then you can get started and kind of proceed through the questions. So that talks about online homework when it's digital homework that's assigned. You can also explore programs, and we're in grade 7. And you can kind of explore our different units. We're going to be starting off with Unit A, ratio and proportional relationships. There are an infinite amount of resources and information posted on here, so we're not going to go through all of them, but we'll go through the first one that we're going to do, Topic 1, Lesson 1-1. And this is what we did in class. So if a student needs to listen to the lesson again or go through the examples again at home, they can do that, and they have the resources to do that. And all of the media that we use in class, students can access at home if they need help with anything. So topic opener. And the arrows here help you proceed. And you can kind of go through what we listen to and watch the videos. Let's go back. So that's how to navigate the program. The classes is where homework assignments, and since we clicked on the 1-1 assignment, it's now considered in progress. And you can see it listed right here, and it also has the date that it is due. The completed assignments, we went through that. Other tools is that in class we use something called a student companion, and it's sort of like a note-taking guide. It's where students keep their notes. The last link up here is grades. This is kind of my fake student grade, and 40%, whew, but I was just playing around. But you can see these grades are not how a student is doing necessarily in the class, as students get full credit when they do the assignment. Although they might have gotten a 20% on a homework assignment or a 60% or an 80%, that grade isn't necessarily posted on Parent Portal. They get full credit for doing the homework assignment, and it just lets me know what they did well and where they can improve. So that is our online textbook. So now back to here, let's explore FrontRow. FrontRow is the second link that's listed. FrontRow is a really great website, and you can read more about it here. It's a really great online program. It's self-driven, it's differentiated, as each student needs to improve and build on different skills. And it's technically an iPad program, although it does work on Google Chrome. In class, we created an account, so you can access that link for FrontRow right here on the right-hand side. And students can log in and proceed through the program. They just need to write their first name, last name. The class code is listed under the second link, FrontRow here. Here is the class code, 2EYZ4H. So if you copy that and paste it, and the student writes their first name and their last name, they should be able to log into their FrontRow account and then proceed through exercises. For homework on some evenings, I might say do 15 minutes on FrontRow. Sometimes we will be using FrontRow in class. So those are the two resources that we have in class. We have Digits, which is our online textbook series, and FrontRow.